Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas box treat holder. And if you want to elevate it even more, you can turn the plain template into this lovely sleigh treat container to give as a neighborhood gift or to a coworker. To get the ornate details, you will need a Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you can just go to a much more simple version. This is a template you can just cut out by hand. The Cricut just makes all the lines perfectly even. So I'm going to glue it, just putting the glue fairly close to the edge. The nice thing about being able to use your Cricut for this is you can customize the size of box that you want. All right, and then I'm going to put glue just on one side of the lid. And then I'm going to add some Linder chocolates because they're really good. You can fit 8 to 10 Linder chocolates in here. There you go. So cute. Or you can just leave a treat in the open box, like so. And as another note, even though you might just cut this template out by hand, you can still decorate the edges outside of the boxes with some cute little Christmas tree stickers or whatever. For this really cute sleigh box Christmas treat holder, you can use a Cricut to cut out all of these different pieces, but this is okay. You could cut this out by hand. So I'm just taking it and bending it down over a hardwood box. Then I'm just going to run a strip of glue closer to the edge. There's the box main form. I'm going to glue the detail onto the sleigh. Just make sure when you go to cut these out that they're mirrored. And then just assemble it by putting the glue just in the spots where the sleigh actually sits. If you want to do a green box instead of a red box to give it a different color, you can totally go for that. It's all Christmassy, so, be creative. The box holds about 10 Linder chocolates, which is just perfect, and that looks adorable. I would suggest if you throw an entire bag of something in, add like a little tie to it so that it looks purposeful. You can certainly use a treat bag and set it inside the sleigh, and then whatever it is that you want, dump it in. If you have a family that you're giving a treat to, then you just took a normal boring bag of chocolate kisses and you turned it into a cute little sleigh chocolate Christmas gift. So another version, we're gonna do a white center. So then, to build this one, it's just a little bit different of a pattern. Yes, I used my Cricut for this. All right, and that's 20 Linder chocolates. It fits, but honestly, I think 15 would look the best. But you tell me in the comments, which one do you think is cuter? That's it for these ornate sleigh and Christmas treat holders. Like and subscribe for more craft and party ideas. Thanks for watching.